I will run the application to show the demo. So here I'm running the backend and the database with the Docker Compose down build. Mm, let's wait until the database is created. Yeah, it's now in healthy state. So let's start the front end too. The front end is running on port 5173. So this is the live demo. I will register here as the new tenant. For the sake of example, I will take it as sample. Subdomain is also like a sample. Admin full name, let's take Luffy. Email is luffy@gmail.com. Admin password. So I'm registering here as the new tenant, and you can see the successful message. Now we are logging as Luffy. Mm, so here we are logging as a Luffy tenant. We will here are the users, and here is the organization tab where you can change the company name. Uh, let's change it. The name will be Luffy Solutions. Right. We can see changes updated successfully. We can also add the users. Let's say Joro. Email will be joro@gmail.com. Password. Now the user Joro is created. We can also edit the username or the user status to active or inactive. And here in project section, we can add the projects. Let's say project one is one piece. Description will be sample description. Here the project is created with the status active. We can also change the status to completed or archived. We can also change the description, or we can also change the name. Let's go to the one project. Here we have the tasks. We can add the task here. Let's say that task will be developing front end, developing auth modules. Let's say using priority will be high. It will be assigned to Joro. Let's say the due date will be 28. Task is created, and we can see the task is created. We can also edit the tasks. We can edit the due date, or we can edit the user to assign. Also the priority can be edited, and the status of the project can also be edited. Let's say the project is in progress. Now the priority, let's remain it in high. Okay, so we can see the progress in progress status. I will log out from the user and I will register as the new user. Let's say the company will be Asta Solutions. Clover will be the domain. Full name Asta. Admin asta@gmail.com. I will register here. You can see tenant is registered successfully. Let's log into that tenant. Clover. See, we can see the projects is empty because this is the new tenant. There are no any other users, and we can see it is isolated from the other tenant, Luffy tenant. So this demonstrates data isolation, right? So here is a running demo that shows data isolation, ability to create projects, to create tasks, assign the users, update the task and update the projects. Is the code. It is the front end pages, tasks, tenant settings, users, and coming to backend folder, we can see here controllers, middlewares, routes for authentication, routes for data dashboard, for projects, for tasks and tenants as well as users. The seed contains the data that should be inserted at the time of database creation. The migrations are used to create the tables at the time of starting the database. Here if you look at tenants database, it has id, name, subdomain, status can be active, suspend or trial. By default we selected active. Subscription plan can be free, pro or enterprise. By default it is free. Max users limit is 5, max projects is 3, and here the timestamps for creation and updation. Similar for users, for projects, for tasks as the document specifies.